welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be cleaning an absolute weapon. Now this car is running in around 500 brake horsepower, which is absolutely mental for the car it is. You probably will have guessed by the title already that I'm cleaning our turboed EP3. Now like I say, this thing is absolutely unbelievable. So we have had this car for a little while. I haven't showed you it much. It has had no expense spared. We were planning to raffle this car, but I think we're maybe going to keep it. I'm unsure, but it does need cleaned, it does need a tidy up, and it needs back to its former glory. It's been lying in this garage and it has just been gathering dust. So with that being said, I'm going to go and give you a quick look around it, and I will talk a bit about the mods and stuff that have been done to it. At the end of the video as well, I will show you exactly what this car can do, and I will let you hear it. So like I said, this thing is filthy. It's going to take me a little while, so let's go and get it cleaned. That is the EP3 washed and decontaminated. I did do the clay barn stage off camera because who wants to watch anybody clay barn a car? But for now I'm going to bring it in, put the lights on it and see what it needs, and see if it needs a machine polish, which I suspect it probably does. And of course the second I was trying to dry the car, it started to rain. So brought it in, dried it quickly. I'm going to have a look around it first of all to see what I need to do. I'm not really too worried about any watermarks. I'm going to try and get them out. Anyway, the windows have dried in a little bit, which is what I was trying to let them do, because there is glass polish in the trial kit. Right, let's have a first look together at the bonnet and see, we'll get the lights on and see what we think. Couple wee marks just there that could do with getting polished out. To be fair, actually, not that bad. I was expecting a whole lot worse. see what we could do with this bit. Obviously it flames a lot, so see if we can do that. Actually not too bad. Like, I was expecting it to be a whole lot worse. Honestly, I was expecting there to be some swirls in this. Really not that bad at all. I haven't came across anything that really needs my attention at the minute. So what I think I will do for my own self, I'm gonna have a wee check around it, just see what's going on. I do have my big lights there. I'm gonna have a look around it and see if there's anything I see could get polished out. But I do think we could just get away with a hand polish today and then a good coat of wax. But yeah, it is actually very, very good. So I think the thing to do with this car is just a polish. Hand polish is all we need right now. It's honestly so much better than I expected. So a hand polish is all we're going to do on it. I may go with just something like a glaze because really it doesn't need that much refining. It doesn't need anything. So I might just go with a glaze and then with a wax on top just to keep the outside as good as it is and keep that protection level up. And then we'll go into the inside. The inside is the bit that needs attention. The inside has had no attention whatsoever by me anyway. That is the bit I am really looking forward to getting done today. Going to throw my camera in charge and I'll start with a polish or a glaze. I'll figure it out when I get that far, but yeah, paintwork is definitely good. It's been a minute since I have polished glass. It's been a long time since I've polished glass, to be fair. So I have done the driver's side of the EP3 and I can't believe just how good polish is for windows. I really have forgot. It's been a long time since I have done it. Make a difference. So I'm going to do the passenger side while I've got you back. I was waiting on you lovely lot coming back with some battery in my camera. Like I said, I'm going to try and use everything that is in the little tester box. Please don't judge me for how I'm putting this on and holding my camera with my armpit, because you'll be able to see that in the window, but please don't judge me for that. I forgot how nice and clean it makes a window. So we'll just finish off with an actual glass cloth, if I can ever fold things right. So just finish off with the glass cloth and get everything off it. And look at that, I really must use glass polish more often. It does leave a better clean than a window cleaner, in my opinion. It is so nice whenever you've got a window that's really shiny like this, although it never stays too shiny too long in here because it gets dusty so easy. But the windows have definitely improved a good bit with the polish. I do recommend it. I'm not going to start machine polishing today. I might do a few bits and pieces with the nano polisher. I'm not going to go completely mad with the machine polisher today because I don't think it really needs it at all. I did get cherry glaze with the pack, so if I can find it, I did use it the other day. If I can find it, we will go ahead and do that. Like I said, we're trying to use all the products from this detailing kit, and if I can find that, we will go ahead with it because I actually did like that quite a lot on the car that I used it on. It was another Type R actually the other day. It was a customer's car. I tried it a little bit on it, but I do not know where I put it, so I'm gonna have a look for it. If I can find it, we'll use that instead. So cherry glaze by Autobrite. I did like it, like I said. So I have used cherry glaze around the whole car off camera. Who wants to see me taking glaze off? Now I'm going to use the Autobrite Carnauba banana wet wax. I'm going to try it, see what it's like. To be fair, the bonnet is very shiny. So I've ran out of little pads. I don't know where they've all went to, so I'm using a microfiber. Not ideal, but it's the best I have at the moment. I'm sure you can all hear the rain outside. So I've called it quits for today. I'm at home now. I'm back in the morning to finish off the EP3. It was just starting to rain. I didn't want to take the car out of the garage and take it to the other garage. So I will be back in the morning. I will get it finished then. But for now, I'm at home. I'm going to chill and I will see you in the morning. The rain is on. So I didn't actually do the car yesterday. I found a little bargain on Facebook. Well, I didn't find it. Someone found a little bargain on Facebook. And as some of you may remember, when I had this huge wall behind me, when I knocked it down, it landed on the carpet and all my lovely black carpet had to be lifted because it was all wrecked. I got all of these floor tiles for free. They're not the colour I would really like, but I hate the floor, I hate what's happened, and because my unit is freaking massive, it would definitely cost me an absolute fortune. So I didn't do that yesterday. I started putting my tiles down. This is day 3. So we'll do the interior today and see how we go with that. But it should be not too bad. So you can see the floor, it's not too bad. It's not black, it's not grey. It's like a bluey colour, but it is a whole lot better than what the floor is like already. And look, he is Civicky interrupting my video. Hello. You are just in the middle of interrupting us on a YouTube video.
Are you joking? Really?
I have got my camera recording and it's facing the camera so everyone can hear what you're saying.
Hi YouTube world, this is world famous Becky McFarlane live from Northeast Scotland supporting the Civicky YouTube channel. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe, otherwise you'll end up just being on the phone crying to me.
Didn't even pay him for that one. It is actually stinking, so I'm going to just take the mats out. I'm going to give them a wet vac with some surfex, and I don't think the seats really need a surfex, so that's not too bad. Just a hoover for them. And here just needs a tidy up. It's got a lot of dust. We'll just give this a quick hoover. It's not going to do much with that. I can't get the I'll be there, that's alright. Don't ask me why I decided to start hoovering the roof. I thought it might come out, but it's like actual dirt. I'm gonna go and try and clean some of this off camera. I might need to get my little brush and some surfex, as usual. But we'll see. I want to hoover as much as I possibly can, and then we'll get the brush out and try and scrub it and see what is actually going on up here. I don't know what this is, but we'll try and get it out anyway. call it a day on the interior. That's what I'm going to do for now. There's a few bits and pieces that I would like to get done, but I'm not going to do those today. I really haven't got much time left. Everything has been cleaned, the carpets are all done, wet vacuumed as well. They come up quite good. Considering the age of these cars, it has come up really well. Like I said, the seats didn't really need anything at all, just a hoover. And of course in the back as well, I gave it a scrub. And the headliner as well got a good scrub. Like I said, that's all I'm going to do for the interior of this. Looks a whole lot nicer. It definitely needed that. I never really got my hands on it. I was going to wrap the video up here, but I am going to do the engine bay. I was supposed to do that at the start and I completely forgot about it until there now. So, gonna go off the floor and do the engine bay, and then that will be us read up. I'm sure you've seen these on my Instagram story. This is the best tire dressing brush ever. It's so cute. It comes in this little case. It's so nice. I love it. It's class. I think it was about £7, so get yourself one of these if you haven't. I love it. So that brings us to the end of today's video. I will insert clips now of the turboed Type R. On that note, if you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.